Want to stop people from sharing your posts or reels on Instagram? Whether it's sharing to stories, messages, or even reposts, I'll walk you through how to turn all of it off in just a few steps. Stick with me till the end to make sure every sharing option is properly disabled. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu that pops up, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll again until you see Sharing and Reuse and tap it. Now you'll see options like Allow people to share your posts to their stories, Allow sharing to messages, Allow posts to be remixed or reposted. Go ahead and toggle these off one by one based on your preferences. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Once you've turned them off, your content will be protected from unwanted sharing. To confirm it worked, try visiting one of your own posts from a second account. You'll see that the sharing options are now disabled or missing. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.